Yeah, I just bought this drill, this dewalt 18 volt hammer drill XRP for $2.99 at Savers, and it's a 3-speed. Found it on a rack at a shelf at Savers. When I saw it, I bought it. I figured it wasn't working, so I took it all apart and fixed it up. As you can see, this one is working, see? That's pretty good. Now it's in better condition than it was before, see? 3-speed. Almost as good, almost newer than the. And I just bought this Kobalt hammer drill, 2-speed, 24 volt. Pretty cool. Full charge. So it's a Kobalt versus the dewalt XRP 18 volt. This one I just got through fixing it. I just need to get a battery for it. This one's a XRP dewalt 18 volt. It's an old model. I bought this one for $4.99 at Savers, so it looks pretty good. I think I did pretty good in getting this one. So as soon as I get a battery for it, it'll be the next one I'll be using. And this one's not a. This one's also a hammer drill. A little older model, but it'll do the work.